You may have heard of the Maxwell Institute, but maybe you don't know what it's actually about. On one level, it's a research institute for religious scholarship at Brigham Young University, but at heart, it's a community of scholars who have chosen to dedicate their time to faith-illuminating scholarship. The Institute's work is organized into four main areas: the Book of Mormon, the Bible, interfaith understanding, and Christian discipleship. In each of these areas, we're carrying rigorous, research-based scholarship into the 21st century. As much as we love books, though, we never lose sight of the people who bring faith to life. We highlight examples of wholehearted faith in Jesus Christ. We address modern obstacles to faith, and we celebrate prophets and everyday believers who speak with hope about the life of faith. In all this, we support BYU's commitment to mission-inspired scholarship. Scholarship that reflects our double heritage as a world-class university and a covenant community that strengthens souls, enlarges minds, and builds character. We take our name from Elder Neal A. Maxwell, an apostle of the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints, who was a brilliant thinker and a consecrated disciple of Christ. In fact, it was Elder Maxwell who modeled just what disciple scholarship really is. His teachings are more relevant than ever, and in this sesquicentennial year, we're highlighting some of his lesser-known but equally brilliant speeches on our website. We think you'll find that they are truly beacons of light. But the place, the people, and the projects of the Maxwell Institute are just the beginning. The real impact is how we can reach beyond our walls and share our resources with you. Our scholars publish books and articles with academic presses, but they also address their work directly to thoughtful Latter-day Saints of any background, like you. We share our work through books, podcasts, blog posts, lectures, and seminars, many of them available online for free. Among these resources, we think you'll find help to face challenges in your faith, rekindle your love of Scripture, and bring more meaning to your religious life. The Neal A. Maxwell Institute, where faith illuminates scholarship.